discuss a very important topic today. It's called global warming. Global warming is a big issue in this world today, and many people don't feel that the earth is actually warming, and they don't feel that it's affecting them. So today in this speech, we will discuss proof that global warming is true. We will discuss the dangers of global warming, and we will discuss what we can do as individuals to contribute to the prevention of global warming for the benefit of our future children. Global warming is actually a real problem. The UK Department of Business Innovations and Skills said that in the mid-19th century, John Tyndall carried out experiments on the radiative properties of atmospheric gases. He found that gases such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane strongly absorbed infrared thermal radiation, while gases such as oxygen and nitrogen absorbed very little. What he was saying was carbon monoxide built up in our atmosphere creates heat, and that heat contributes to the warming of the entire globe. Well, what dangers are there really with the warming of the globe? Well, let's take, for example, people's environments. National Geographic 2011 says that the Biloxi Chitimacha Choctaws Department of Housing and Urban Development awarded the tribe $48 million to relocate through the National Disaster Resilience Competition. They were given the $48 million because they were living in an island, and that island went from 28,000 acres down to 400 acres. They were forced to move out of that area. It affected that whole population, which was displaced. This is happening around the globe because the water levels are rising, because the earth is warmer, and the ice caps are melting. But what can I do? What can you do in order to decrease the effects of global warming on us all? Well, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency said that multiple lines of evidence shows that changes in our weather, oceans, ecosystems, and more are happening currently. And the only thing that we have to do to change that is right here in our homes. We can start recycling. When we go to work, we can carpool, take more people with us. Or even when we go to school with our children, we can carpool. And we can even go green on our houses by getting solar panels, by using natural gases. In conclusion, we have learned that global warming is a real problem. It is a source of danger, not only to groups of people, but to us as individuals. And we can help by making daily decisions, solid daily decisions, on how to prevent global warming. If we continue to do these things, then in the future our children may be able to live in an earth not inundated by water, not changed and switched around by atmospheric differences, but in the same world that our parents grew up in.